offer creation mistakes that every business owners needs to avoid. There are a ton of myth and concept around what is offer creation. And why did I choose to talk about offer creation today? Well, there is a reason why. What's the difference between an offer and a product? That's a really important distinction to make. First, an offer is basically something that's way more sexy than a product, if you want to say it that way. When you bundle multiple things together, multiple products sometimes, and you create an irresistible offer that your customer is going to feel stupid for not getting. That's an offer, at least the way I see it, and the way you should use it. Now, let me share with you mistakes that people do when they try to make somebody that people like really want to buy. People that really want to buy. Let me share with you those mistakes. People are trying to compete on price. They're trying to compete on price. What does that mean? Hey, when you have a commodity, when you sell somebody that some other people may be able to sell as well, you are selling a commodity. The problem with that is somebody else's can share this, like can sell the same thing as you do. And the problem with that is that the only way for you to create value if you're trying to do that, or at least one of the ways, is to lower the price. So what's going to happen oftentimes, you see that all the times actually, people are trying to compete and have the lower price to make sure that you buy their version of the product from them. The problem is that if you're the person that's selling the product or the service, you're cutting into your own margins and you're not able to provide a better service, better product experience, to do some research to improve the service. You cannot do that because you don't have the funds required to do that. There is a better way. There is a better way, however. There is a better way, and I'm going to share that with you guys today, a step-by-step process on how you can improve the way you share offers and you can keep your margins and actually increase them over 10 times. If that's something that's interesting for you, make sure you keep connected. Now, next mistake that a lot of people are making is, hey, they're not putting what people want into their offers. Basically, when you do an offer, oftentimes what you do is that you create a bundle. You create a bundle of the value that the customer is getting. The problem with that is people are putting random things into that, and you should not do that. What you should do is actually put thoughts into what you're putting. And I'm going to share with you guys next what are the things that you should put in those things, but keep in mind that you should not put random things into your offers. Those things that you are putting in it should be well thought about. Next mistake that a lot of people are making is not having enough inventory, because of course, if you want to create a bundle, if you want to create an offer, you need inventory, you need products, you need possibilities for you to make that offer. And a lot of people don't have that. So make sure that you build your offer line, your product line. That's extremely important, because when you're creating an offer, you simply have to pick, okay, here are the 10,000 products that I got. I'm going to pick this one, and this one, and that's going to create a great offer. So make sure that you build up that product line first. And I think in the next episode, or at least in the future episode, but I think it's going to be episode number 2, the next 12 actually, the next episode of Marketing Commandos, I'm going to share with you guys how you can create a ton of products extremely fast, what products ideas, what kind of works, and how you can use them for your type of business. So stay tuned if you want to get that thing and that knowledge.